Welcome to my art journey. I'm Roger Snell. This is episode 21 and I call it Capital Ideas. I spent several Saturdays, 1 hour at a time, doing some sketches of the Kentucky State Capitol, and started out in pencil in the sketchbook and then eventually went to gouache, which is an opaque watercolor, and then eventually took my travel kit, and worked in oil. And the neat thing is, a good friend of mine, Howard Carter, got a drone as a gift, and so there's some awesome video showing the spectacular view from the hilltop overlooking Frankfort. And the last few minutes of this are just spectacular views of the Capitol, the Kentucky River, the farm, the downtown, all from a bird's eye view. So what you're looking at is my progress in the paintings. That's the oil painting. There's my painting companion who was with me every Saturday and seems to enjoy the time out of the house. So take a look and enjoy the view, and thanks for watching.